Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a hands-on review of the Ugreen DXP4800 Plus NAS, a new contender in the world of network-attached storage. Ugreen, known for their peripherals and portable power solutions, steps into the NAS arena with a promising lineup. Let's see if their DXP4800 Plus lives up to the hype. First impressions matter, and the DXP4800 Plus doesn't disappoint. It's crafted from robust materials, featuring a sturdy industrial metal chassis that not only looks premium but feels durable in hand. The 2.8mm thick sides contribute to both strength and heat dissipation, crucial for maintaining optimal performance. The front panel houses 4 lockable SATA trays, reminiscent of Thunderbird pods, making drive installation a breeze. Additionally, there's a convenient SD card slot, USB Type-A and Type-C ports, and a power button easily accessible for everyday use. Under the hood, this NAS packs a punch. Powered by an Intel Pentium Gold 8505 processor with 5 cores and 6 threads, it's more than capable of handling demanding tasks. Coupled with up to 64 GB of DDR5 RAM and 2 M.2 NVMe slots. The DXP4800 Plus offers flexibility and future-proofing for memory and storage upgrades. Networking options include a 2.5 GB LAN and a speedy 10 GB LAN port, ensuring high-speed data transfers ideal for large file handling or multimedia streaming. It's equipped with multiple USB ports for peripheral connectivity and HDMI outputs for potential display use. Although an interface for graphical output is currently absent. Moving to the software front, Ugreen's Ugreen Pro runs the show here. While the hardware impresses, the software experience is where the DXP4800 Plus shows some room for improvement. Ugreen Pro is functional but lacks the polish and feature depth seen in more established NAS operating systems like Synology's DSM or QNAP's QTS. Basic functionalities are covered, but advanced features like hybrid RAID are notably absent. Users might find themselves waiting for updates to unlock the full potential promised by the hardware. It's clear that Ugreen has work ahead to match the software sophistication of its hardware offerings. In conclusion, the Ugreen DXP4800 Plus impresses with its robust hardware and thoughtful design. It's clear Ugreen aims to compete with established players in the NAS market, offering a compelling alternative with its powerful internals and expandability options. However, potential buyers should consider the software maturity and limited availability during the Kickstarter phase. If you're looking for a NAS that's built to last and offers solid performance, the DXP4800 Plus is worth keeping an eye on as Ugreen continues to refine its offering. Stay tuned for updates on how Ugreen evolves its NAS lineup and software capabilities. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.